Okay, so this is how to clean up a PC and maximize the amount of free space on it. All resources are in Trail Backup Software, a clean PC folder. So if you want to type that in, it's that / Trail BU software, and then you'll see the folder that says a clean PC, which has these two items in it. So the first thing we have to do is log on with an administrative logon. So we're going to go ahead and log on with the password, and if it is full, you may get a pop-up error immediately saying you're going to be logged on with a default account. That's perfectly fine. Just go ahead and get it logging on first. So after we're logged on, the second thing we're going to do is we're going to go into this folder in Windows called Software Distribution. And in there's a folder called Download, and we're going to delete everything in there. That's where Windows downloads all the software patches to before it installs them, and it never cleans them up. So we're going to go there first to delete those. So just open up My Computer. Okay, and then we're going to go into the C drive and go to Windows, and then you're going to have to show the contents, and you're going to have to scroll down and go to Software Distribution and into Download. Select them all with Control A, hit the delete key, and you're going to delete all the things inside there. So we've deleted everything. The next step is to delete all the student logons that are in the Documents and Settings folder. So we'll go to the Documents and Settings folder next, and we can do that while this is still deleting. So we're going to go into Documents and Settings. I'm going to go into List Mode, and every single one of these accounts with a number on it, including this one teacher account there, we're going to leave A, admin, all users. We're going to leave Mr. Poole. We're going to leave software. We're going to hit the delete key, and we're going to delete all those as well. So all those accounts are going into the recycle bin as well. Step 4 is to install CC Cleaner and run it. So we're going to go and install CC Cleaner on this PC. So this, again, I can leave it going, and I'm going to go to where that's at. So it's / Trail BU / software. And in that software folder, you're going to, the very first folder is called a clean PC, and we're going to run just yes to all and all those things. So we're going to run CC Cleaner to install it, and we'll say run English, next, agree, uncheck everything except for we want it to be in the start menu, and we do not want another copy of Google Toolbar, so we're not going to install Google Toolbar. And then we're going to install it, and while that's installing, we'll pause here for a second. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and run CC Cleaner, so I'm going to leave that checked. I'm going to say finish. That's still related to deleting all those. When CC Cleaner opens up, oh, it's behind here. We're going to say no. And then I'm just going to hit Analyze. It's going to go through and look for any cache files, anything that can delete to clean up the hard drive. Okay, once it gets to 100%, you can see it's going to get 2.3 gig cleaned up. So I'm going to go ahead and click Run Cleaner. It's going to say, just say OK to go ahead and finish cleaning that up. Okay, and after it's cleaned, you can go to Registry and scan for issues while we're here, just to clean up any registry issues. that we've got. After it's done scanning the issues, we're going to click Fix Selected Issue. This is not really cleaning up anything other than helping the system run better by clearing up any errors in the registry itself. And when it's done, you just hit Fix Selected Issues and then say No there, and then say Fix All Issues, and then we're done with CC Cleaner. The next step we're going to do is to uninstall delete prof and reinstall delete prof. So basically what that means is I'm going to run this other file that's inside the AClean PC, and you're going to click remove to remove the program first because it's installed in the wrong location is the problem. Okay, after it's been successfully removed, you're going to run it again. This time it's going to install it. So you're going to go next and accept the license and say next. And this is what's wrong, is where it's going at. So you're going to browse and go back to Windows, and then choose System 32, and then say OK and install now, and it will install it in the Windows System 32 folder. The last step that we have to do is to modify the deleteprof.bap file to set for 13 days. So basically what that means is we're going to go into our C drive now, and you'll go into Windows and go down to System 32 and say yes, you want to show the contents. And if you type in DEL, you'll go down to the file. So right here where we should see, okay, so I'm in the Windows System 32 folder. Delete Prof is right there. I right click on it and say edit. And right now it's set to 21 days. We're going to turn that down to 14. And then just close it and save it. And then that is the last thing we're going to do on this. So after that, basically you can just restart the PC, and we will have set it so that it cleans up its own profiles and cleaned up everything we can to make it so everybody can log on to the labs.